Industrial simulation, a powerful tool to design and optimize processes. The objectives are clear: to model, analyze, and optimize complex systems found in manufacturing, logistics, services, and other industries. Businesses can mitigate risks, reduce cost and lead times, increase performance and quality. This approach plays a pivotal role in fostering innovation. It starts with the defined phase where the objectives are established, the team is assembled, and the scope is clarified. It's essential to articulate assumptions, determine priorities, and identify the required data for the simulation model. Phase 2 involves the measurement and analysis of the current processes to identify optimization hypotheses. A value stream mapping initiative is launched to map the processes and measure times, distances, people allocation, among other variables. Relevant data is collected to construct the current state simulation model using FlexSim software. In the final phase, the focus is on improvement and optimization through simulation scenarios in FlexSim. This step is dedicated to engineering an ideal state designed to increase performance, reduce production costs, and streamline internal logistics. This may entail adjusting maintenance procedures, production planning and layout to maximize machine uptime and enhance overall efficiency while prioritizing quality and safety. From this collection of ideal scenarios, a thorough risk and effort evaluation is undertaken to devise a strategic action plan. This plan outlines actionable steps categorized into short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals, aiming to achieve an optimized feasible state. In conclusion, industrial simulation using FlexSim software is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Ready to transform your business with industrial simulation? Contact us today to learn more.